So this time we're going to the beach, guys, and I have a Tara here. Hi. Hi, guys. Today we're going outside to wait mommy and Lola. Okay. Alright. So there's the view right now. Daddy just burped. Disgusting. Daddy's the burp. Disgusting. Daddy. Typical daddy.
Tara,
Yeah.
where are we?
We're in Mobile Beach.
The beach. Oh, ate.
Hi guys, so we're in the beach already, so we're going there. Yo, yo, yo! Let's go, guys. We're going to the park. No, I said we're going to the park on accident. I mean beach. Guys, let's go. Let's go, guys. I almost can't see you guys. Look, this is my shadow. Let's go. Let's go. Like I always say, let's go. Guys, the long walk there, I think. It's a long walk. It's a long walk. Ew, that's a broken. Guys, don't you hear me? Let's go. That is the beach here. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Guys, what are those, bro? That was just behind me, bro. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Atar's like acting like an airplane. Atar likes it. Guys, it's so sunny. Let's go to the beach. The beach is right over there. Right there. Guys, I don't know if you can see it, but let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, I'm shaking cam. Woo! Go play with my sleeper.
Here. Play here. Yeah, play in the sun. Here. In the shade.
Tara, let's go play. Where's the Tara?
Tara, sis. Mami is alone.
Wow! So
What's that? Ooh.
Tara? So guys, I'm in the sun.
Oh.
And I found a stick here. Oh, another. Guys, look guys, I found two. This twat you guys. Guys. Tara.
No, alive. Tara, go.
It's so.
Oh, it's moving, oh. Oh, moving.
Wait. Can I touch it?
Okay, Daddy is there.
Come on, crab, oh. There's a crab, oh.
Wala pa sila dito?
Nandiyan na si Jerwin, natin yung yun. 2 crabs.
Move. Can I see him? I want to see him groove. Get two crabs. Mommy, whoa! I touched it and it moved.
Touch mo na. Ito na, tanong ba yung Daddy niya? Bite eh.
Tara.
Guys, it's fun. Guys, we're going to this way, sir.
No, we will go same place where we went because it's hot there. Suspect. Suspect.
Ang laki ng chat.
Tara yung slipper. Suspect. Slipper. Nawala. Suspect. Yung tsinelas nahula. Go, that's it, and the shade.
Suspect. Ang laki ng chat.
Here, ate. Ate, come.
Hi guys, so I'm in the beach.
I will get. Tara, stay here. I'll get water, okay? Tara, you wait here. Wait there. Are you sure water, oh? Now. Tara, water here. Wait.
Look at you, smile. Smile, Daddy's Christmas. Smile.
Yung.
Krabby. That's crab. I don't have the name yet. Guys, comment down below what we should name it. Guys, you know what am I gonna feed him? Yo, shoot. He's gonna start us running. I've been running in the mud.